So if you want to see the look that I got using this palette, stay tuned. So this is the Beauty Bay Bright Matte Palette. And I just want to do like a fun rainbow look today. Here are the shades in the palette. And I kind of want to do, like, I've seen those looks online that like people do like the rainbow colors and then they like bring it down on the lower lash line quite a bit. So I want to kind of try and do something like that. I'm not sure how this is going to work out, but I'm going to try it. So I'm going to start with, I'm trying to decide, I think I want to do like a pink, red, orange on one eye and then like a blue, green, purple on the other. So I'm gonna start with, I'm trying to decide, do I want to start with like pink first or orange or red? Let's start with this pink color, Make Them Wink, right here. This is a really, really pretty shade. Now I think I'm going to go into this orange shade. Right here called Heat Wave. And I'm just kind of blending that into that pink shade. And next I'm going to go into this shade, the red shade, Hot Stuff, right here. And then just kind of blending that into the orange shade, like I blended it in with the pink shade. Okay. Now I just want to take a brush that is just clean, nothing on it, and just kind of like clean up that crease a little bit. Okay. Now I'm trying to decide. I guess I'll just go ahead and do the lower lash line right now. And I'm just kind of going to do what I did on the top, on the lid, same on the lower lash line. So the first thing I'm going to do is go in with that, the pink shade, Make Them Wink. Then I'm going to grab that orange shade, Heat Wave, and do the middle part. And then I'm going to go in with the red shade, Hot Stuff. And now for the other eye. I think I want to start out with the green, then do blue, and then purple. So I think for the first shade, I'm going to do this green shade. I'm going to do Slice of Lime, which is the shade right here. Just a very bright green. Hoping it shows up okay on camera. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with a blue shade. I kind of want to do, I don't know, I really am liking the shade Pacific Dreams and Bobbing Along, and I'm not sure which one I want to use. I'm gonna do, my first thought was to do Bobbing Along, but now I'm really liking how Pacific Dreams looks, and like, I don't know. So this is Bobbing Along right here, and the one next to it is Pacific Dreams. So I'm just thinking, like, I like them both, but I need to do a purple shade on the end of the eye. Let's do, I'm gonna go with Pacific Dreams. And I totally forgot to clean off my brush before I dipped into that shade. Okay, so this is that shade Pacific Dreams. It's more of a green blue. And just kind of like the same thing, just blending that into the green shade. Like, my mirror is filthy, like, and holy fallout, y'all. This is nuts. My mirror's so filthy, I can't tell if I'm like getting coverage or if it's splotchy because my mirror's so dirty. I've got to clean this thing. I'm gonna have to clean up this look, my face, pretty bad. Because like the fallout is a lot with this palette. Which, I have the regular bright palette, which has some shimmer shades, and I don't remember that having this much fallout. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with a purple shade. Let me clean my brush first. And I kind of want to do the shade Purple Power right there. Just a really, really fun, bright purple shade. It looks like it might have some like shimmer in it. Whoops, wrong eye. And I'm just blending that in with the blue. Man, like, guys, this mirror. What was I thinking? It's like right in my line of vision too. Like, no matter how I try and move it, like, it's just so dirty. Okay, so I got a little crazy, got some up there where I didn't want it. So I'm just gonna kind of clean that up a little bit like I did on the other eye. And then I'll move on to the bottom lash line. Alright. So for the bottom lash line, I'm just gonna do what I did on the top lash line. I'm gonna start off with the shade Slice of Lime. Which is kind of hard to see, so I hope you guys can see it on camera. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Pacific Dreams. And then with the shade Purple Power. Okay, I'm gonna go clean this up because it's a bit crazy and do some mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back like 10 hours later. The blue shades definitely stained my face pretty good, so hopefully, I don't know if you can see it or not, but if you can, it is what it is. I just couldn't buff that out. So oh, and I took the palette in the other room, so hold on one second. Okay, so I'm back again. I was trying to clean up some of the blue and purple that I did on this eye. I got the purple a little higher than I wanted to, and so I was just trying to clean that up a little bit. And I forgot. So I somehow lost my highlighter brush, you guys. Like, I found this, my Wet n Wild Unicorn Glow highlighter here, and I was like, that'll be fun to use because I did a rainbow look, but my highlighter brush is missing and I don't know where it is. Which is funny because I was doing my base earlier and I was going to I put on a little bit of a highlighter. It's kind of covered up now because I had to powder again to clean up some of the fallout, but I couldn't find it then either. So, and I have like a million brushes, but I have like one dedicated highlighter brush. It's like the Wet n Wild highlighter brush, I think, and it's my favorite, and it seems to have gone missing. So who knows if that was another casualty of my ghost, or who knows what. Things just sometimes disappear around here. So I'm just going to use a BH Cosmetics brush and use it as a highlighter brush, because that's where we're at today. So I'm just kind of mixing this all together just to kind of see like what it's going to look like. I think it's got more of a greenish glimmery. It's really pretty though. I can see like some green, some blue, some yellow. That's really pretty. Okay, so this is the look that I came up with using the Beauty Bay Bright Matte Palette. Here are the shades. Like and subscribe, and comment down below if you have any palettes that you guys want me to do looks with. And just thank you again for watching this video. It means so much to me. I really appreciate it. And I hope you have a wonderful day wherever you are. Thank you.